So I came here to test my battery and see how much power it has left in it, because the car doesn't start even though it has a button. Like, it doesn't have enough energy to start. Like, it doesn't even crank. So the guy who sold me this car, when he sold it to me, he's like, no, you have to just change batteries because 1 2 3 1 2 3. So basically that nigga gave me a dead battery. Yeah, this car is just gonna be grabbing money at me, because now I need 2.5. They said for a brand new battery, or 2.2. Those are the two options for a battery. Yeah, I put in the new battery, so now I'm gonna try and test if it works with the key or not. Yeah. Okay, the boot works. See, but this car, to start it is a weird process. So first you have to put in the key. But the way all the computers are looking now, looks like it's not connected properly. Okay, there we go. Okay, it looks like it's proper now. Okay, let's see if it's gonna start now. So I'll be trying. I took this button off because it wasn't starting with the button on. I don't know how this. I think it just closes the circuit for a bit, but it gets stuck. The button gets jammed and everything, but it just keeps getting hot and it doesn't do anything. So I wanna see the car's keys turn to on. That's the fullest it can go. Just turn to on. I'll try and rest y'all here. Let's see if that's gonna work. Okay, so it's not starting. So I think it's an electrical issue going to the starter. Honestly, I'm not sure. That's what I'm thinking, because if the spark here and the black wire switches on the wipers. Let me just get them back because I'm OCD like. Yeah, so the black wire switches on. I think this is a power wire. I think this is the original wire for the power. So I don't know, but it's not getting enough power to start the car. So I don't know what else to do. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. So for that chat, that's done. That's done for now. Just gonna put back these wires to the button, because having them like this, even though nothing might happen with it off, but still, you never know. Yeah. So somehow I must be reaching the starter. I don't remember what that guy did to reach the starter, and I can't reach it. Can't see anything. Being non-mechanically inclined is my downfall at this moment, because right now I don't know what's what, who's fooling who, what's new in the kitchen. I don't know nothing. So all I know is that there's too many unplugged wires. I don't know where this goes. the wires for this. I don't know where this goes to. I don't know what this is. Yeah, but all I know is it's not connected. So that's another issue. And then there's these ones here. They're also not connected, and there's one exactly like that one with the plug set up. I don't know where these go to, what they do. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that down there. That just right there. That looks like a spark plug, right? And that spark plug is connected to a hose clamp that's connected to a hose. So I don't know what they're blocking off there. Where is it now? I lost it. Let's see if you can go back. Yeah, that thing right there. So yeah. What is up, guys? So this is the ending of the battery video. Sure. So I just wanted to say, I think I found someone to do that, the starter of the car, and maybe they can also do the gears. Here's the car here. Doesn't have a number plate, license disc, nothing. I gave up on making it look like it's street legal because, you know, it doesn't even drive. So yeah.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
So if I could get either one of the issues, but preferably the gear issue first, because if I can change gears, then I can push start the car and then can drive. But if I can start the car, then I can limp it in gear 1, 3, and 5, you know what I'm saying? But I can't reverse. So those are my issues right now. But since I registered the car, it's in my name now. I can actually take it on the road without having to answer questions, like funny questions that might be asked, like whose car is this, and then I'd be like, it's mine, but I didn't register it yet, you know, anything like that. So, but I found a guy, so I know I'm saying that a lot, but yeah, I'm thinking maybe at the end of next month. So by the time this video comes out, it's April. So at the end of April, I should be towing it to get fixed. Yeah, I was hoping I could take my car to the BMW event Car Candy's hosting, but I'm not sure I will be able to. But if I can, but if I can't, I mean, I'm still gonna go, but I won't have my BMW there, you know. So next time someone asks, hey, if let's say someone asks there, yo, you have a BMW? I'm like, yeah, I have a BMW. What BMW you have? An E46. Where is it? Nah, it's at home. Project car. Yeah. So yeah, let's get things moving on this car and just make sure it's driving and everything. So yeah. Guys, I lied. So this is gonna be the second video I post. One I posted with music, the other one without music. Guys, please let me know which one is better for you guys, for your guys' experience. And if you made it to the end of this video, comment pineapples down below.